Hello, my name is Alvan Analaki Muslim.
My name is Muhammad Haziq Imran bin Abu Sufyan.
My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Maisan.
Hi, my name is Amir Abshah bin Masadi.
Today I would like to explain to you about what is market equilibrium. Market equilibrium condition which does not exist at any tendency for price and quantity to change. Moreover, market demand curve cross with market supply curve and is an interaction between market demand and market supply. Based on the current issue, is the ticket price of flight to Sabah and Sarawak increases due to holiday identity 3. When checking on the website of two airlines in the country, price of one way ticket from Kuala Lumpur to 5 destinations in 2 states declining between 30 April and dropped on May 2.
This is the overview. The prices of flight tickets to several destinations in Sabah and Sarawak have dropped by over 30% from 30 April to May. This is the equilibrium curve. For curve explanation, this figure shows the effect on market equilibrium when the increase in supply faster than the increase in demand. D0 and S0 are the original demand and supply curves respectively. Price P0 and quantity Q0 are the original equilibrium price and quantity respectively. Number 2 is smaller increase in demand compared to the increase in supply is shown by the shift of the demand curve to the right from D0 to D1. That is smaller than the shift of the supply curve to the right from S0 to S1. The equilibrium point will shift from point E0 to point E1. Consequently, there will be a small decrease in price from P0 to P1 and a large increase in quantity from Q0 to Q1. In conclusion, an increase in supply that is faster than an increase in demand will result in a small decrease in the equilibrium price and a large increase in equilibrium quantity.
Market equilibrium. Consideration on the solution on plane ticket price. Encourage the public to plan, treat and take advantage of the various promotional offer and discount available from time to time. This is because if you have the right time, you can get a flight ticket price much cheaper than the price of a Malaysia Airlines ticket. For example, how to get a cheap ticket. Number 1, how to book cheap Air Asia ticket at night. Number 2, clear check. Number 3, become an Air Asia subscriber. Number 4, select flight schedule on weekday. Number 5, buy ticket yearly.
Conclusion on the solution of plane ticket price. First, the government, in particular the transport minister, needs to intervene and take decisive action against airlines that raise the price of air tickets. Besides taking into account the view of all parties, include taking into account the concession faced by airlines. Further, ensure that domestic affairs price continue to be monitored. Create a situation between buyers and service providers and set a standard for airfare price during the festival season so as not to burden the people. Sometimes too expensive ticket price also cause many people from Sabah or Sarawak to decide to celebrate in the roaming.